Today I share with you how to cook Nigerian stew. If you have been cooking Nigerian stew, it wasn't this process. That is why you have to watch this video on how to get this perfect way. To start, I'm going to be needing this goat meat. I'm going to get that rinsed with clean water, and after doing that, I'll be having something like this. So after washing the meat, this is what it look like. I'm going to turn that over inside this cooking pot. I have spices that I'm going to use to get the meat marinade. I just get that blend like this. I'm going to leave the name in the screen. After doing everything, I get that turned over inside the pot and stir together. So after stirring that, I'm going to be adding this mangi seasoning, that is not cube and salt to taste. Add that and stir together. So I'm going to cover that to cook without adding any water. This is going to cook for 20 minutes. Over here I have tomato, hot pepper and red bell pepper. What I do now is to get rid of the seed of the tomato and the red bell pepper, adding onions, spring onions, then adding this oil. I'm going to transfer that inside the oven. So this is going to get the tomato cooked before I make use of it. So this is very, very important, guys. You don't just grind your tomato, just follow this process before you make use of it. At this point, the meat has cooked after 20 minutes. What I do now is to add in the chicken. Over here I have chicken. I'm going to get that rinsed with water. After rinsing that, I have something like this. It was so nice. So what I do now is to transfer that inside the pot of meat. So I add that chicken over there, then season that with this curry powder, then chicken spices, and then thyme. Add in water and cover that to get cooked. So guys, this come from Odogun Food. Don't forget to patronize our Odogun Food plug. So cover that to cook, and after that, this is what I have. At this point, the meat has cooked so nice. All I do now is to bring that out. On this hot oil, I'm going to add in the meat. That is only chicken I'm going to fry for this oil. I'm going to fry all the chicken until it gets like this. So now the chicken has fried. All I do is to bring everything out from the oil. It fries so nice. I just love the color. It was so amazing. So after frying the chicken, I'm going to keep it aside. If you haven't shared the video, what are you waiting for? This is the right time to share this video. Come and make your professional stew for your family to enjoy. The same oil, I'm going to use my filter to stream it, then add that inside a bigger pot. On this plate, I have onions. I'm going to add that inside the oil. So here is the tomato. After blending it, this is what it looks like. All I do now is to transfer that inside the pot and get that fried. So guys, this tomato is not going to waste time inside the heat anymore, because at this point your tomato is cooked and is ready to use. Over here I have mangi seasoning, which is mangi and salt. That is not cube I use. Then adding the salt. What I add now is this goat meat. I'm going to turn everything over inside the stew and get that stirred together. I did not fry the goat meat. I just pour everything like that. It's just so amazing. So get that cooked for 20 minutes, and guys, 20 minutes later, look at that. At this point, I'm going to be adding the chicken and stir together. My people, this stew is so massive. Like, it's scent so nice and it's sweet, so amazing. I'm going to get that to cook final, and it's ready to serve. After cooking, guys, look at stew now. You can easily enjoy this stew in any occasion of your choice. Any professional occasion you are going to do, just get this stew done. You are going to love it. It cooks so nice and it sounds so amazing. So guys, this is how we get Nigerian stew done. If you haven't tried this before now, this is the right time to try your professional stew. You are going to love it. Use that to enjoy any food of your choice, something like rice, yam, potato. At this point, I'm going to get that enjoy with rice. Look at that. It was so delicious. I love you guys. In my next one, try to share. Bye.